Hello people, we're going to do a little bit back on this taper because today, get that lined up, hadn't I? There's my I got another little fly cutter that I bought, another cheapie, £16 off of eBay. It's got a couple of issues. This doesn't seat all the way down, so when you screw it in there's still a bit of a gap under there, and I'm assuming that should seat onto that flange, so I've got to do something with that. But that's not what I'm worried about at the moment. I'm worried about it. The issue I've got at the minute is it's not holding in, and of all my Morse taper things, that is only just anything further than that wouldn't fit. My drill chuck, that's about the same, wouldn't go much further. Oh, I've got that stuck, haven't I? That's it. So, as I have room for it, what I'm going to do is just cut this face back a bit until that fits okay. I know it doesn't need much, but just take, I've got plenty of room there. I can take this back. What have I got on that? In metric, 18.5mm. Imperial, 730 thou. There's loads of room there to take that back. So what I'm going to do now is just face that off, take that in deeper. So I'm hoping that's going to be the smallest. I'm still waiting for an ER25 collet chuck to turn up with a Morse taper 2 on it. So we'll deal with that, and then hopefully in this video I want to make the drawbar to go in there, but I want it to be a kind of dual purpose drawbar that I can also use to knock this odd size spindle back out. So I have got an ordinary just piece of M10 threaded bar that I could use as a drawbar, but I wouldn't then have anything to knock it through. So I've got a piece of 16mm or 5/8 round bar that I can make something out of that I'll be able to use to knock this out, hopefully. So we'll get cracking. I wonder if that's the hitting the bottom of the taper as well on there. I think that could be. I think I'm going to have to just try and bore that out a little bit and drill it. Okay, might be a different setup then. Oh, I've got that board. That fits a lot. I'm not going to jam that in there, but That does fit nice. So I'm happy with that. So now it's make the drawbar. Now the through hole in there I've had to open up to 15mm, and I've got, that's not quite 16mm. I'd like something a bit more substantial than that. I'm going to see if I've got any other bar. Hold on. Well, I've decided I'm going to use this 16mm bar. The bore I thought was 3/4, and it's not. It's actually, it's dead on 17mm. So however that came to be 17mm, I don't know. Well, there's a low spot. There could be a flat on the bar there. Looks like it is. Too tight. I don't want to leave it there. So what I want to do is thread that M10, and what I want to use is this on the other end as the handle for tightening up. I'm going to have to take that off, that's not a problem. Would be nice to leave it on, but it's not really the safest thing to do, is it? Having that on the end. But that little hand wheel should be fine. I think that'd be nice. Might have to put a bigger washer on, and if I can thread that, I think that's 1/2 inch. Yeah, that's 1/2 inch. So can't thread it 1/2 inch, can I? But I could thread it a slightly larger. I might be able to do it 5/8. We'll see. I'll find something to do with it. Anyway, let's get this faced up and turned down for M10. So I guess 11mm. Oh, 11.3. Spring cut. Well, that to me is 10 spot on. Okay, I'll thread that now. I guess that will do nicely. Yeah, it's out on the bottom, doesn't it? Okay. Now we just got to establish how far back I want this shoulder. Which is a measurement there, isn't it? 1.2 inches. I'd rather that a bit more wider in dimension. I suppose beggars can't be choosers. Unless, of course, I put something on there that can space it out. What do I have? Aha! Now that's a nice fit over. So I've just got to make sure that thread, or that 10mm extends further down. I can put that on, reduce it down to just under 17, and that will be better for knocking that out. Yes, we have a plan. Yep, that's on. I want a slightly tighter cut than that, so I should have done 1,000 instead of 2. Oh dear, better go and feed the pussycats.